The FiveTen TrailCross shoe is made from a FiveTen stealth rubber with a high friction grip and non-marking utility. The dotty tread pattern on the undersole offers unbeatable grip in wet, dry and slippery conditions. These FiveTen TrailCross shoes are crafted to push, pedal and hike in any terrain you can think of. One of the fantastic features of these shoes is how lightweight and durable they are. Coming in at 790 grams, you can barely tell you're wearing anything on your feet. And trust me, they are super comfortable. After riding and hiking for the majority of the day, your feet are still as fresh as ever. They have a quick, dry, breathable mesh, keeping your feet cool on those hot days. I was super impressed with how well these shoes performed and how the rubber platform gripped to both pedals and loose surfaces. I now have no need to carry an extra pair of hiking shoes. Spending long days riding on and off the bike can take a massive toll on your feet. This is where the all-new TrailCross shoes keep your feet feeling fresh when others won't. You won't be slipping on those steep push-ups. So guys, if you're as stoked on these shoes as I am, head to pushys.com.au and make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you want to see more of our content. See you next time.